This is how you play E7 sharp 9 on your guitar. You can also call it E dominant 7th sharp 9th. The pinky finger will be on the 5th string on the 8th fret. The third finger will be on the 7th fret on the 3rd string. And your second finger will be on the 5th string, 7th fret. And your first finger will be on the 6th fret, 4th string. In this chord, you play all of the strings. So there you have it. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed watching this video, please like and subscribe to this channel to keep updated on new chords and videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.